Welcome to Riverwood Terrace Condominiums, and you're just in luck to be able to enjoy this back patio nestled right here by the banks of the Connecticut River with seasonal views that make this condo a hidden gem. You're gonna love this completely remodeled condo from head to toe. The only thing left to do is move in and start decorating. Take a stroll outside with your favorite pet companion because, oh yes, this complex is pet friendly too. And just a few short steps away, there's access to canoeing and kayaking and even a better spot to sit back and take a view of the Connecticut River. So make sure you stop by and see 43 West Summit Street, number 14 in South Hadley at its first showing at its open house September 15th between 2 and 3:30. We'll see you there. Bye.